Hey, just wanted to share what we have here today. We just picked up this 1960 Apache Chief, and it is in original condition. It's missing the taillights, but I do have the original taillights for it. It came with them, and they're already nice and cleaned up. And all the parts are here except for the canvas. It's the only part missing from it. All the tent bows are here. There's one bow that's broken, which I'm sure we can get repaired. The four corner jacks all work. They do need cleaned up a little bit, of course. Everything else seems workable on it. And what's really nice with this unit, you have these four large storage compartments, two on each side. Everything works there. All the hinges are good. Nothing wrong with the hinges or the latch mechanisms. Of course, I don't have a key for it, but that's easily had. So you can see how nice and deep these are. I get a lot of camp gear or whatever you want to put in there. And so I'm excited about this unit. We're not sure what we're going to do with it. It's fully restorable to get it back in the camping condition. But we have a few other ideas too. But we're going to actually get this on the road, get the bearings repacked, get some new tires on it, get the lights hooked up, and get it towable. And then in time we'll tell what we're actually going to do with this unit. So anyhow, for now, this is all we have from Tommy's Tiny Trailer Shop.